All right, guys, good morning. I'll start with this. I hope everybody is ready and buckled up for December. If you do not have all of your purchases made in cryptocurrency and altcoins, guys, a couple new trade wins I'll talk to you guys about here, and then we'll jump in. By the way, you guys loved the future forecast yesterday. Thank you guys for writing in, telling us how much you love that. If you're brand new, we'll teach you about that. We're making passive income every month. We've been doing $10,000 for the last about 3 months, and I'll show that to you guys in a second. And I'll share with you guys what we're talking about on Friday. So we won a 10% trade on sand. This brought us to a record of 258 wins and 0 losses, which was awesome. Great job, all you guys. And we won another 10% win on Sui, and this ended up bringing us to a total of 259 wins and 0 losses. And then yesterday, I ended up showing you guys how I'm making passive income. I took a withdrawal on December 3rd, which was yesterday, of $12,000. November 16th, we took out $13,000. September 27th, sorry, this is a little bit hiding down here, you took out $11,000. Guys, here is the cool part. Everybody, okay, we're going to whiteboard this today. I know we just did this yesterday, but you guys got to focus because we're already, everybody who joined us just yesterday, you guys are already in profit and you're 33% of the way to hitting your target and taking out the next 25% exit or the withdrawal on these accounts. Guys, it's crazy. So here's what we're doing. We ended up yesterday coming out with all of our members, and a lot of you guys who have never been with us, you guys signed up yesterday, and that was really cool to see because you're all in profit this morning. What I just taught you guys is you need to create, I'm gonna call this a bucket list. I know this is not a bucket list in life, but this is like how I like to view it. It's either an index fund or a bucket list. I end up putting cryptocurrencies in a simple bucket. I choose about 8 to 10 is what I do, okay? And then what we do is we take this list, we put it into a separate portfolio on Coinbase, and then what we do, if you can pick the right ones, we've been able to realize, guys, over 25% almost on a monthly basis with this strategy. Okay, and I showed this to you guys yesterday, but the stats are pretty incredible. From yesterday, sorry, that's really chicken scratch there, we are already up about $3,000 in this account, which equates on the 25 percentile, we're up about almost 10% in this account. Like, watch it. Let me just show this to you guys because it's better to just show you guys the profit. I'm telling you guys, this strategy that I'm going to teach you guys will go down at the end of this market thinking this was the best strategy that I've ever used because it always assumes profit in the market. Okay, so 40,000 was what we brought our account back down to yesterday. All of our members, everybody yesterday, you guys on YouTube who signed up, we all started fresh, okay? This morning, when we get to $10,000, we're taking out another $10,000. Look, we just took out $10,000 yesterday. Today, we've already made $3,188, guys. And I guarantee you guys, I think December, we are going to take out a double portion. So we're going to take out 2 $10,000 plus exits on this portfolio. Guys, I know we've got it grayed out down here. So I want to show you guys more here. I'm not done here. But when you guys get a membership in the description, get your 25% off and watch December 3rd because I'm going to teach you guys how to do this. Like I said, we've been pulling out money almost on an every month basis. Click this. This is a Google spreadsheet. It shows you guys exactly how to set up the account on Coinbase, how to set up a portfolio. It shows you guys even the top picks that I have. It gives you guys a spreadsheet where you guys can actually choose from about the top 15 coins that I would do this with. And then it shows you guys actually how to exit. And I take live trades on this future forecast with you guys. A huge response from our community. Thank you guys for writing in. I know you guys love that. But coming on here to let you guys know that is what you should be doing right now. And we're all taking exits together and we're all entering together. Before I go into TA real quick, I want you guys to hear what I just said. A lot of you guys are very hesitant right now because you're seeing cryptocurrency go up. And yes, Bitcoin will break $100,000 this month, okay? When Bitcoin breaks $100,000 before Christmas, by the way, when it breaks this, a lot of you guys watch this, you're going to say, okay, I need somebody to run with. You need a family to run with in cryptocurrency or somebody to help guide you guys so you know when the exits are appropriate. Okay, a lot of you guys are going to end up holding too long in this cycle and you're going to think the top is in and you're just going to keep holding and holding. And I'm here to tell you guys from my experience, because I've absolutely botched this in the last couple cycles, is that you need to be taking profit on the way up. If we take out $10,000 of profit, okay, this month, do the second portion, we will have already doubled our money. We will have made over 100% on that account since September. Okay, we have done 10x more than the S&P. Okay, the S&P 500, we've done 10x more than the S&P 500 in about the last 3 months, guys. That is why you need to watch that strategy. Okay, I want to show you guys something else today. I'm going to keep going here. This is just so much fun. Okay, guys, Ethereum is about to shock you guys, and this is what I wanted to show you. So if you guys look at the bull flag on Ethereum, take the peak and come all the way down to the low here. This is basically just some quick analysis here. I want to show you guys this. Because Ethereum is what, guys? Everyone together. The parent of altcoins. Yes, you are correct. So Ethereum, my minimum target, absolute minimum target this cycle. Let me go just a little bit higher here. Okay, the minimum target here, let's get out a horizontal line here. It's this right here, okay? It is $6,255. There is no way Ethereum is not hitting $6,000, okay? What we have is a bull flag. We've broken to the upside. If we take the continuation pattern, the length of the support up to the top of the left side of the bull flag, and you extend that into the future, we are sitting at $6,255. So guys, here's what we're going to go over on Friday. We are going to go over, we may be taking more profit this Friday, which would be kind of cool. We're going to go over the exit charts. And I've shown you guys a few of these, but we've got 15 charts. And I'm not going to go over all of them. I'm going to pick the ones that I feel are most applicable right now. Because some of these charts, guys, that time the top of Bitcoin, they're different charts than what time the top of altcoins. And I can't tell you guys, last night when I was sleeping, I felt this, I don't know if I should use the word anxiety, but I just felt this feeling like there are altcoins that I think we're going to need to look to exit a lot sooner. I gave you guys all a free indicator, and I'll show you guys how to find this. I gave every one of our members a free indicator that shows where you need to be looking to exit your altcoins, and it looks almost exactly like this. And I'll show you guys what date I gave that to you so you guys can grab it in the future forecast. When we see this white line, and you guys as members know what I'm talking about. When you see this white line, let me get another color here. When you see this white line cross the yellow one right here, guys, this marked the top of Dogecoin last cycle. And then Doge dropped 70%. It also marked the top of XRP, and XRP dropped 70%. I'm telling you guys, from where the white line is to where the yellow line is, we're over 30% of the way now. It's happening so fast because Bitcoin dominance is shifting right now. You guys, I hope you guys followed this. Like, we did a huge exit. I'm not going to say everything on here. We're keeping it private for our members. Guys, Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D, ended up crashing. And honestly, guys, I feel like by the grace of God, the favor that he's given us in this future forecast, and I'm a Christian myself, and we ask God for wisdom. I genuinely think we ended up timing this exit absolutely perfectly. We started exiting about halfway through here, and we started exiting, and we started actually transitioning into altcoins. Those altcoins positions are doing insane. I showed this to you guys yesterday. We ended up starting September with 12.95 Bitcoin. Because of the transition, not with adding any money. I'm sorry, I have the notes down here. We are up over, I know it's this fact over this. We are up over 22 Bitcoin, if you guys have been following our membership. Okay, we've made 10 Bitcoin worth just by reallocating correctly from Bitcoin into altcoins. Okay, so this Friday coming up here, what I want to teach you guys is how are you going to exit? And you need to start looking to exit, I think, a lot sooner than you realize, because everyone is going to scream Bitcoin's going to top at the end of 2025. Okay, November and December. This is when Bitcoin usually tops, and this is correlated to 2025. Okay. Because 2025 is correlated to 2021 cycle, is correlated to the 2017 cycle. And they're not wrong. Bitcoin will probably top in November, December. Only one cycle. Okay, guys, follow me here. I'm going to do a little bit more and then we'll wrap this up here. Only the cycle of 17 did all of the altcoins top in November and December with Bitcoin. Okay? 2021, I won't give away the exact date because this will be member-only content, but it happened a lot sooner. I'll just say this. Some coins topped in Q1 and Q2. We actually have it down to the specific month. So imagine, guys, you've done all this hard work accumulating your altcoins and you're holding until the end of Bitcoin, possibly in November, December, and you literally watch 70 to 80% of your profits go away. That is what I want to help you guys avoid. And one of the ways we're avoiding this, watch this big line that I draw right here. This right here is one of the big ways we are avoiding being trapped. It's showing you guys how to set up what's called a take profit account where we are consistently taking profits out of the market on an every month basis. We may, like I said, we're probably going to get a double portion this month and we're going to take out 50% from this account just this month. And then our other $2 million account, that is where we can grow it for the long term and take some big exits. Guys, I'm trying to set you guys up on here so that you guys have the best plan possible to make the most money in cryptocurrency. You have 12 months left to change your lives forever. And if you guys are, I don't mean to be rude about this, but if you know you're emotional inside and you know that you may be a little greedy, you need to watch these future forecasts. Okay? I think Bitcoin could run up to in the month of December, I do think we could hit $120,000. And I'm not going too aggressive. There's a much data that shows that. And I'm going to show that to you guys on Friday. Grab a membership in the description. It's only $65 a month, by the way. And we're going to give you guys 25% off that. The first thing to do, watch the future forecast, download this spreadsheet for yourself, and I'll show you exactly how we are taking out literally about $10,000 every single month. After that, what I want you guys to do is come down here to this one right here, November 26th. And I'm going to show you guys what we ended up transitioning out of for Bitcoin and what we ended up buying for altcoins, because this is how we've been able to make the shift, and we've gained 10 Bitcoin in about the last 3 to 4 months. All right. On top of this, you guys will get access to all of our trade setups. So if you guys like to trade in and out of the market, you're going to love this. We are legitimately 259 wins with 0 losses and 3 active trades. By the way, I am looking to call some new trade setups today and tomorrow, so please be watching for that. We were taking 4% wins all the way through the bear market. We started over here, look guys, in February 22nd of 2023, okay? We've been taking trades all the way through the bear market 4%. We know the cycle that we're in. We're in the bull market. That's why all of our members, you guys have been crushing it lately with all 10% wins. I'm not calling out anything less than 10% right now. And these are winning sometimes within 2 or 3 days. So if you guys are looking for a place to take trades, to learn a strategy with the indicators that we're using, you guys want to be over here at Trade Confident. Last thing, real quick, I'll explain here, is that the indicators we are using for the trade setups that have given us that high win rate, we are giving all of our members $150 off if you become a member. So if you become a member for $65, which will give you 25% off, you guys are also going to get $150 off the Pro Pack on top of the $499, and then we'll give you guys $400 off the top and bottom finder. Guys, I know some of you guys who are new, you're like, this just sounds like a big commercial. What I'm trying to avoid here is just coming out and sounding salesy. I think there are people out there watching this that are trying to find a community that is being honest about their trade wins. Okay? In 2021 and 22, we had about 15 to 16 losses. We ended up restructuring the entire strategy using different buy limits because we saw the fault that we had. We admitted it and we said, okay, although we had an incredible record, we did have some losses. Once we shifted that and shifted our risk management, we started coming out and showing you guys the percentage accuracy, and we have never lost a trade since then. So this isn't like a gimmick that we've got this high win rate, and I think it's the highest ever recorded on cryptocurrency. It is from actually not doing as well the last cycle. Okay, when we call a trade setup, guys, we use 2 different buy limits. 80% of our trades have never used a buy limit. 14.29% have used 1 buy limit, and 5.02% have used 2 buy limits, and we've never even activated the 3rd buy limit because we just don't need to use it. This is where I think we can start helping you guys make some money. And then obviously on top of this, we have the Coinbase account that's doing absolutely incredible over here, and we're up over $2 million, and I would not doubt, guys, if by the end of December, we are at $2.5 million. You need to watch Friday in the future forecast what is coming for December. I'm going to get everybody ready. I'm going to get everybody situated in altcoins, everyone just ready and having your bag set for what is coming in December. It is the time that we are going to break $100,000. And I am not going to be surprised if we are at $120,000 or plus on Bitcoin. That means your Ripple, your XRP, the XLM, all these altcoins, guys, you need to be positioned now, because what is coming is going to shock you guys. And this bucket list, this account that we're continuing to take profit out of, we may do another $10,000 this Friday exit. We may do another exit at the end of December. That's how bullish December is going to be. Okay. I love you guys. Grab a membership. It's in the description. It's got a little emoji gift box there for 25% off. Watch us, guys. I'll lead you. And please know we love helping you guys over email. So let us know if you guys need help with anything. We are here for you. I love you guys. And we will see you guys on the Friday Future Forecast. Bye, guys.